In today's video, I am going to teach you how to save your file in Canva Download Design to PC. Start by opening the project you want to save inside the Canva editor. Make sure you are viewing the final version of your design so you don't export the wrong draft. Give everything a quick look for spelling, alignment, and color. Because what you see here is what will be saved. Now move to the top right corner of the screen. Click the Share button. This is where Canva keeps all export and collaboration options. From this menu, choose Download. That opens the panel where you control exactly how your file will be saved to your computer. Next, choose the file type that fits your goal. PNG is great for high-quality images and graphics, especially when you need crisp edges or a transparent background. JPG creates a smaller file and is a solid choice for photos or when you need a lighter image for web use. PDF Standard is optimized for on-screen viewing and sharing, like sending a brochure by email. PDF Print keeps the highest quality, uses print-ready settings, and is the best option if you are sending a design to a professional printer. Before downloading, configure the options to match your needs. If your design has multiple pages, you can select specific pages rather than exporting all of them. Adjust the size slider if you need a larger or smaller image. This scales the export without changing your original design. If you selected PNG, you can enable transparent background to remove the canvas color behind your design, which is ideal for logos or overlays. Keep in mind that removing the background makes your design float cleanly on any website or document without a solid box around it. When everything looks right, click the purple Download button. Canva will prepare your file and save it to your computer. Depending on your browser settings, it will typically go to your Downloads folder. Larger designs can take a moment, so give it a few seconds to finish. Once it's saved, open the file to confirm it looks the way you expect. And you are all set. That's the entire process. Open your project, share, download. Choose the right file type. Fine-tune the options and hit download. With these choices dialed in, you'll always export a file that's ready for web, sharing, or professional print. Thanks for watching.